Hi, this is Karen and welcome to my July monthly setup here on dolallycrafts. This is my Rhodia bullet journal and we're going to head straight into it. Now here in Australia, July is the coldest month. Supposedly, I actually think August is, but a lot of people, because it's the middle of our winter, people celebrate the 25th of July as Christmas in July. So I'm going to give it our Christmas in July theme. So this is my cover page and my monthly calendar. And then I've got my project ideas, my lessons, my 1 line a day, my brain dump, which I'm adding in. Because if I have vague thoughts or thoughts that I can't get out of my head until the next, if I'm having problems sleeping, brain dump is a great idea, just to, like a pensieve from Harry Potter, where you take the thoughts out, you put them down, and then you can get on with them. So today I'm doing my setup. I will come back with my first week next week, first week of July. I've yet to plan it out. But at the end of the month, I once again have my interests for the month, which are TV, social, music, what I'm reading, and my bullet journal inspiration, as well as a month in review. So let's get into it. I'm not sure whether I'll do a voiceover for this. Otherwise, I'll fast forward, and if I feel like speaking, I'll come back in and talk. So let's get on with the setup. And this is like a North Pole signpost, my version of a North Pole signpost with July on it. So I'll do the writing, then I'll come back in and do the decorating. I'll be back with you soon. Okay, welcome back. So this is most of my front page done. I just need to add a few bits and pieces and it'll be finished. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back again, and as you can see, this month my colours are balmy blue, not baby blue, balmy blue and gorgeous grape. These colours will be copied over all through this month's bullet journal. The closest colours I could come are those two and those two with Stabilo. So that's my cover page. Now let's get on to my July calendar. There's a little bit of bleed through, but I'm not going to be too worried about that. So I will get on and put together my calendar for the month. So I will be back shortly. Okay, back again, and my month at a glance is now finished. Unfortunately, we've got the orange bleed through there and here. Other than that, I'm quite pleased with how it worked out. I'm really liking this blue and purple background, and if you can see, there's not that much bleed through on this side, which is fantastic. Okay, I've just got to glance through and see my project ideas for that page, and we're going to do my project ideas for this page. As you can see, I really didn't get that many project ideas written down there, so what I might do is condense my Hangul lessons and my project ideas into the one. So I might move my Hangul and project to here, and I've actually seen a really nice saying for this page, so I'm going to combine these two. And I've been really slack with my Hangul lessons lately, so I'll put those here with my project ideas, and I'm going to do a decoration on this side. I'll have to go and find the verse or the saying and come back and do that. I might show that to you with next week's layout. Okay, let's get on with the project ideas and the Hangul lessons. Okay. It's been that long since I've written Hangul, I had to remember how to write it. Okay, so we've got the project ideas and my Hangul lessons done. As I said, I'm going to come back and do the saying on this page. Now, one line a day and the brain dump are going to be very, very simple days to rule up. So, in with the ruler. Okay, my camera's playing up on me now, so it cut out before, so I've just quickly done brain dump, and I will be back shortly. I have to go and replace the memory in my camera to finish off the rest of the layout. Okay, I think my camera cut out during some of this because my memory stick had run out of room. So I finished off writing out my one line a day and my brain dump, and I just have to decorate it. And I'm going to do what I did before and just pop some paper along here just to mask off the margin that I've created. And this time, because I've got the blue background, I'm going to decorate it with the gorgeous grape. And the same on this side. Okay, so that's the one line a day and the brain dump. I just need to number my one line a day, so I'll start from the bottom here, and I'm going to start from here and hope for the best. Okay, I consider myself really lucky there that there's actually 40 lines deep, because I don't really think I would have gotten much on that line. Okay, so that's the one line a day and the brain dump, and then we will be starting our week. Now, at the end of our weeklies, and at the end of our weeklies, we're going to do interests. Now, this is going to have TV, social, music, what I've read, and my bullet journaling inspiration. So, from memory, it's 26 wide. As you can see, I've really filled in my staples, haven't I? Okay, where did I put my measurements? No. I can't find them now. I really need to put stickers on the side here so I can keep... There it is, the grid map. So it's 26, so I need 13 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 is midway. So we will come down 1, 2, 3, 4 and draw a line from there. Okay, and I keep smudging it. These are very inky pens. Okay, now to divide it in 3, I need, we can do quarters, we can do halves. 40 is full, so I think I did it 15, 30, 45, no, 12s, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That looks about right. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, well done, Karen. Okay, so we've got it divided, and now we will put our headers in, which is TVs, TV shows. Then we've got social. We have music. We have red. And we have Bujo inspiration. Okay. Sorry about this. My camera, if it's not the batteries needing replacing, it's the memory card. Okay, so we've got to do our my interests at the top, and we will flip the page and do the month in review. And let's just have a look at what my June month in review page looked like. So I've got it split up into my Instagram and YouTube, my habits and observations. So we will do the same thing this time. Okay, and that is my July setup. I hope you've liked that today. So there's our front page, our month in review. It's very hard to read, I will admit. I think I'm going to actually scrap this huge month in review. I was wondering, because I don't usually use it, so I'm thinking for August I might just do a front page like so, and then on the on the page, like have that there, and on the page opposite have my important dates and my bills, like birthdays and whatnot, my projects and my project ideas, my Hangul lessons. Let's see how I go with that. I will put my my inspirational quote there, and I will show you that later. My one line a day and my brain dump. Oh, these pages look so nice and neat. And then, as I said, I will come back next Sunday and we will get our first weekly spread done. And then right at the end here, we have the interests and the month in review. So, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed today's both videos, and I will see you again on Tuesday for another card. I do believe I'm posting. Yes, I'm pretty sure there's a card going up on Tuesday, and there might even be a card going up on Thursday, but it's a throwback. So until then, I will say goodbye. Bye-bye.